You got it, girl, you.
Hey guys, this is another video from Cali Banks. I am making the stress shorts for my son, so stay tuned to see the results. So here I use scissors to cut off the pants legs. I did that off camera. And I use the scissors to cut the back, like little slits in the back and in the front to give it that distressed look. Then I sprayed bleach on it. I did that off camera as well. Oh Lord. I didn't put my cap on, girl. But anyways, yeah, so I use the scissors to distress it some more, to tear it up a bit more. So I'm using the scissors to give it that more distressed look. And off camera, I put bleach in a spray bottle, in a spray bottle with bleach in it, and I sprayed it, and then I put it outside because it was too strong to, let it catch its color and to catch all the spots that's there wherever I sprayed, to let it look pretty good. Came out pretty good. Then I put them in the washing machine and dryer, and this is the ending results. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you.